17 years ago, on February 24, 2007, by the decree of the President of the Kyrgyz Republic, the Investment Council was established. Its purpose was to form a unified state policy to improve the business environment and investment climate, as well as to develop the socio-economic potential of the country. The council became the first platform in the country to bring together representatives of government, business, and international partners to address key economic issues. This initiative laid the foundation for future reforms and strategic development. Over 60 meetings have been held at the council where issues ranging from optimizing tax legislation to creating legal foundations for creative industries were discussed. These discussions have had a positive impact on the development of the business and investment environment. Over the years, the Investment Council has played a key role in initiating more than 160 regulatory acts, including the creation of a high-technology park, optimization of the licensing and permitting system, introduction of electronic visas, and development of public-private partnership mechanisms. These measures have improved the country's ratings in international assessments and attracted the attention of new investors. In 2010, the Investment Council was reorganized to adapt to new challenges. In 2022, by a resolution of the Cabinet of Ministers, it received an updated mandate, becoming the Investment Council under the Cabinet of Ministers of the Kyrgyz Republic. This allowed for enhanced interaction with the regions and expanded focus on public-private partnership. The new regulations of the Council emphasized its key role in improving the investment climate, protecting the rights of entrepreneurs, and developing public-private partnerships. These changes have reinforced its significance as one of the main tools for the country's economic development. The Investment Council thanks all its members, partners, and colleagues for their contribution to our collective success. Together, we continue to work on improving conditions for business and the prosperity of our country's economy. We are proud of our achievements over 17 years and look confidently toward the future. The Council continues its mission, creating new opportunities for business, investors, and the country as a whole. Investment Council under the Cabinet of Ministers of the Kyrgyz Republic, the national platform for the sustainable public-private dialogue.